Welcome to POSable. In this video, we will look at the shelf label system in the POSable Back Office. This system allows you to generate from your product shelf-ready labels with a product name, price, and barcode. It is compatible with thermal label printers such as Brother and Dymo. Let's have a look at the label settings. Here we can set the width and height of the label. This will be determined by the label size you have purchased for your label printer. We recommend a 29mm continuous labels, especially if you are using a label printer that includes a cutter. This generates a decent, readable sized label and barcode for scanning purposes. You can change the product name and price font size here. Selecting the storefront counter label will always display the name, price, and barcode. If you only require the name and barcode, select Back Office ZPL. You can also change how the label is printed. Use the label designer to change the layout of the label. For example, moving the barcode to the top and the name and price below will create the label in that format. Select which products require labels. You can also search for products to make this process quicker. Selecting multiple products will produce a label for each product. So you can queue labels to be printed, making a batch production. Preview the label and check the label layout by pressing the Print Selected Label button. Proceed to print using the Print dialog window. If the layout looks wrong, or you have elements overlapping onto more than one label, check your layout size to ensure that it matches the label size in your label printer. That's all for the shelf label video. Thanks for watching.